Do you know that almost 30 countries ban antibiotics from farm production? So I decided to look what kind of substitute can they use, and turns out that probiotics and postbiotic are actually the very best way for animal production to remove diseases. And so I went a little deeper on this and found the comparison between antibiotics and probiotics. So, the greatest discovery of the 20th century was the control of many diseases, both animal and human, with antibiotics. Unfortunately, the overuse of antibiotic has resulted in the appearance of drug-resistant pathogenic bacteria in veterinary practices and medicine. The main goal of the large-scale livestock breeder is to intensify production and reduce mortality in herd. An easy way to do this is to use antibiotics. Increased animal production keeps the animal crowded, which facilitates the transmission of various diseases. As shown in the review, the use of probiotics on farm can naturally bring about the balance of a gut microbe and reduce the growth of pathogen in broiler, pig, piglet, cattle, which are all farms animal. Based on the review of the latest article from 2021, an increase in interest in the effect caused by B. subtilis, which is the probiotic that we use at BioPro Solution. The result indicate that it could be a substitute for antibiotic and effective growth promoter in broiler breeding. The use of probiotics is the increasing importance for the alleviation of weight and immunity deficiency, as well as the lowering the mortality ratio in broiler farm. The discussion studies show the positive effect of lab in its metabolite of welfare of farm animal. Oh, here's the best part. The limitation of antibiotics in farm have a positive effect on the environment and living organism, including humans. The application of the new regulation in the law, which will come into force in 2022, is the limit completely to use of antibiotics for disease prevention before they appear in the herd. This is the next step to reduce the occurrence of resistance effects among pathogenic bacteria, which is a problem that's been caused by the antibiotics. Now, it is in our control as human to find what is going on in our food chain pretty much. They're poisoning our food. They're using things that is hurting humankind, and we have to be more aware of what's going on. And that starts from being aware of the product they use that are not natural in the food that we eat. And so try a natural solution. Probiotics is a great natural solution that will do exactly what you need. It will prevent diseases from spreading, and antibiotics cannot do that efficiently because it's causing other problem. So probiotics, there's no side effect. It is fully natural. Uh, I don't see any better product for this. We just have to find the very best strains of bacteria that can provide the immunity effect against the diseases, the most common diseases in farming practices. Now, BioPro Solution is doing just that. As you can see, we are providing probiotics that are specifically selected for the different animals you're working with. And so, for example, the scientist team at BioPro Solution are selecting very carefully different strains of bacteria to provide a very good immune response to most common diseases in the industry for poultry, for cattle, for pig, for goat, for turkey, for any animals, honestly. I forgot to put turkey yet, but I will add it later on. We have everything as a probiotics, it's fully natural. Uh, we also have it for fish, so it gives you an idea. Now, what it's going to do for you is pretty simple. It's gonna significantly improve the immune response to fight against different diseases. It will also help with the absorption of nutrients in the animal's gut, which will help them gain weight faster. so more meat for you. And it will also help to uh, it will make them eat more, because when you're more healthy, you eat more. That's just related. Uh, and also, it will help you to optimize the feed conversion and the feed efficiency, which are two things that most farmers are tracking. So if you guys are tracking this, then it will help you guys improve this ratio in your farm. Thank you for listening. I hope that gives you a good idea of what BioPro solution can help you with, and hopefully you're going to choose the natural solution to go for probiotics instead of antibiotics. See you in the next video.